Hey, what's up everyone? This is my Go Power 130 watt solar panel kit, and I'm gonna set this up for you guys and show you how it's used. The first thing that you'll notice about this kit is it's a really slim design, and it comes with this really nice carrying case. The solar panels are in two pieces, but it comes with a lock. That way it doesn't open up on you when you don't want it to. Let's get it set up. Now that we have the solar panel set up, you'll notice it's a 2-panel system. Again, it's 130 watts. And if you come around to the back side, it has the legs that fold out on each side. And then what's also great about this kit is it comes with a 10 amp PWM solar controller. This controller is what controls the amount of energy that comes from the solar panel kit and goes into your battery. And it also is designed to help prevent any overcharging on your batteries. It also comes with a little USB port, you know, if you have to plug your phone or something like that into it. The cord jack is down here at the bottom. Let's get this thing plugged in. I'm using this 12-foot cable that was provided, and it plugs directly into the solar panel kit and goes right into my battery box that I designed. This battery will last all night. It'll run my fridge, my phone, you know, you can run your computer, your heating blanket, your fan, whatever you need, all with this box. All right, now that everything's connected, I can go ahead and turn the battery setup on, and it will start charging the battery. If you can see this, right now the solar panel kit is producing 6.8 amps, and it's putting it right into the battery. The battery was basically charged. If you check out the reader, I actually bought a really nice one that reads the wattage, the amperage, and it also reads the voltage that the battery still has. So if you can see this setup, it's really kind of shadowy right now because the sun's right over me. But the battery is running over 12 volts. This battery will last me all day, especially with the solar panel kit, and then it'll be charged enough for me to run my fridge and whatever else I need all night. So I designed this battery box a couple weeks ago. What I did is I went to Home Depot and I bought a $15 Husky toolbox. I really like this toolbox because it comes with these side flaps, and when you open them up, I can actually hide all of the equipment into it. So I have two 12-volt outlets, and I have 4 USB outlets and 4 switches. This switch right here is the master switch. When I turn this switch on and off, it'll actually turn the power to the battery box on and off. And then this switch right here will turn the power onto the 12-volt outlets. This switch will turn the power onto the USB outlets, and then this switch right here will turn the power onto the AC inverter that I have on the other side. On the other side here, I have the AC outlet, and then I also have the Anderson connection. This connection came with the solar panel kit. The kit actually comes with probably 5 or 6 different connections, depending on how you want to connect it to whichever kind of battery you're using. And then from there, you know, I have it connected to the cord that goes into the solar panel kit. I used a fuse box. I have 3 fuses running out there. I wired all of my grounds right to this shunt, which I have to use for the volt reader. I'm using a 55 amp hour AGM battery. You want to use an AGM battery because they're sealed and you can off-road with them, and it's a really great battery. This is not a deep cycle, but it does exactly what I need it to do. And when I get a little bit more confident with these battery setups, I'm going to start using lithium power. But lithium batteries are really expensive. This battery cost me $150 at O'Reilly's Auto Parts, so it works for right now. This is a 500 watt AC inverter, and then I used an extension that plugs into the inverter and then it goes out to the outside of the box. This right here is a wall charger from my house. That way, if I need to charge my battery and I'm at the house, I can just plug it right into my wall and go from there. So I have 3 different ways of charging this battery. The AC house charger, I have the solar panel, and then soon I'm gonna have the DC to DC charger that is plugged into my truck. I have used this fridge now for about 1.5 years and I love it. It fits in the cab of my truck or the bed of my truck, whichever I need it to. It runs off of AC and DC power. I prefer to use the DC power. I think it's a little bit more efficient, but my battery box is set up to run AC or DC.